All right, guys, now we have the Ninja Nutra Blender Pro. I like this because this is for the person that is on the go. It doesn't even have a large capacity blender. It's all about blend and go. I like that feature. So let's open it up. We, of course, have the 20 delicious recipes here for you to try out. Let's get to the packaging. Oh, let me just put this all in here. Oh, okay. All right, so we have the base. But let's go ahead and get her undressed and we'll be right back. We're back. All right, so again, this is just for going on the go. I like that feature a lot. So you don't need a big blender if you're just gonna pour it into a smaller cup anyway, okay? Let's get this bad boy plugged in. And although it's small, it's still Ninja and we're still gonna do that ice test. So again, the blade is already here. All right, we're gonna do about 3 scoops of ice. Put that on here. You know it's secured in place when it's ready to go. The numbers will let you know. So let's start off with the crush feature. Okay, now let's do the start and stop. I should have did that first. So that'll just continuously chop the ice or your smoothie as it goes. Now I'll hit the smoothie button. Love the auto sense. And last but not least, let's hit the pulse. And as y'all can see, we never let that go to 3 seconds. So we're already crushed away. So let's give it a look. So I want you guys to get a closer look at the ice we just crushed. Okay, let's take it off. Here we go. Perfection. So just to wrap it up, you guys, again, all Ninjas I do believe come with a suction, so I like that it's going to stay in place. I love how small it is. If I have visitors come over, it's very simple. They don't have to look at instructions. Has it right here. You want to crush, smoothie, pulse, start and stop. Very simple. They can have their own container. Again, boom. Just ease of use. Sometimes you don't want that big, bulky blender. You just want to make yourself one or your kids one, and you want to go. Definitely a fan of this Ninja.